So when pointing to things in Korean, you'll need to use words like this, that, this, that thing over there. And those words we call the three go. There's 이거, 저거, 그거. It's go kind of like in gallbladder, or like, you have the gall to say go to me? Go. Go. There you go. So the word for this thing is 이거. So I want you to imagine a big red E tattooed on your hand right here. And every time you say this thing, you point to your hand, this thing, 이거. So, how do you say this thing in Korean?
이거.
Good. Now, imagine a black K with dripping paint. That K is painted on the wall, the paint's still dripping, right? Now, quickly, what sound does K make? Just the letter K? K, right? K is K. 그거 means that, or that thing. So how do you say that thing? That thing, pointing down and away, that thing. Black K, dripping wet paint, that thing.
그거.
Good. Now, a quick note about the pronunciation there. As you know, there are some sounds that don't match up between Korean and English, and k is one of them. Now, K will help you remember it, but it's not really a K sound. It's not as strong as a K, but it's also not as G as a G. It's kind of in the middle there. So if you imagine two white keys on a keyboard, this would be kind of like a K sharp and a G flat or whatever, the black key in between K and G and K. So it's kind of like a soft K. Now, I want you to imagine a black chalkboard. Picture a black chalkboard in your mind. And that chalkboard is way over there. On that chalkboard, in yellow chalk, is written that thing over there on the board. Okay? So that thing over there is 저거, chalk. 저거, chalk. So how do you say that thing over there?
저거.
So again, with this one, it's not really a ch like a ch, but it's also not a j. It's kind of ch sharp, g, j flat. It's kind of a ch sharp, a j flat, kind of right in the center there. Ch, soft ch, ch. 저거. So how would you say, give me this thing?
이거 주세요.
Okay, and what was that thing again?
그거.
So how would you ask for that thing? Please give me that thing.
그거 주세요.
And what about, please give me that thing over there?
저거 주세요.
Okay, and what about, please give me this thing?
이거 주세요.
Good. And what about, please give me that thing?
그거 주세요.
Okay, please give me that thing over there.
저거 주세요.